We are going to Naha Airport, domestic airport, to fly Narita.
This video is all about how to use self check-in kiosk at the airport. That means you can check in by yourself.
Our flight in Jetstar, right? So, Peach Sky Anna right side and Jal Jetstar is left side. So, we are going to left side as our flight on Jetstar. So, we are checking the Jetstar. Jetstar is there. Very convenient actually, because in Japan you have Anna and Peach in the same aviation, and JAL and Jetstar are the same. So gates in open, we have to check in our flight. We will have to check in out. Scanner. এই যে লেখা আছে কনফার্মেশন নাম্বার আছে, তাই তো? Yeah. Yeah.
Expensive attending, okay?
Yeah.
Hotel check back. এই যে মিস্টার মামুন হাউস।
Yeah. One.
চেক ব্যাক কি দুইটা না আমাদের? একটা না?
One. Yeah. These things you cannot.
Are you 11? No, no.
Yeah. Here's the boarding pass and check bag sticker.
No. ঠিক আছে না?
Yeah.
চলো দিন। চলো দেই।
You can wait your luggage here and baggage. Five point three. 2.
বলছি হয়েছে আমাদের। পাত্রটা
Yep.
দিয়ে দিব?
So you can drop your bag here after sticking your sticker to your luggage. You have to drop your bag here after sticking your luggage.
Do you have lighter mobile battery?
No, no,
No, no, no, no, no,
So any breakable item inside?
No?
Any breakable item?
no, no, no. Thank you. Yeah, yeah. So this is the floor map, floor guide. So there is a vending machine always there. Baggage check-in for JAL and baggage check-in for Jetstar. So it's very much easy to use self check-in kiosk.
Hope you enjoyed this video. Waste